who has come all the way from England.
We all.
Amazing. To film at 11 a.m. and record. We love it. Okay. And this one is called... What's that?
One sec, coffee. Oh, it's stuck.
You need a coaster.
I do, yeah, I need a CD.
It's lovely fizzy water, but not good for singing.
And it's always a real shock. We don't really have fizzy water in England. Like, well, we do, but you don't buy it. And so when you keep drinking it, and it's really shocking. Like, oh no, it's okay.
We'll try not to. Okay, here we go.
Keeping us alive.
We wanted everything to come our way by this very day. We wanted stars so bright to see the lightning before it strikes. Though we've passed 100,000 miles, still I stand, still I stand. Photographs of 20 months ago, I know we can, still think we can. Here I am, I will stand. So hungry my heart, bewildered my eyes, I'm tumbling down, and it's eating me alive, it's eating me alive. We crave the crying out, the silent screams amongst the loud. Chew through the ropes and hope that we don't choke on the words we spoke. A cunning plan to blind the world outside. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Break ourselves and taste the urge to rage and fight with fire. We fight with fire. Cry it out, I will shout. I'm being consumed, the thoughts have overflown, my mind overgrown, and it's keeping me alive, it's keeping me alive. The taste of bittersweet keeps us on our feet, punishing to see. I long to push it down, feet on the ground, with our head in clouds. Dreams confined to draw between the lines. We learn of life, we learn of life. They will wait and we will still parade. We should have learned, still time to learn. Listen now, going out. I write it all down, the letters all torn, devotion still sworn. It's keeping me alive, it's keeping me alive. Can't throw this all away on the desperate need of another day. I won't forget myself when these withered days are on the shelf. So recreate what you self-generate to make it new and see this through. Recognize that you fight inside and by the truth, go by the truth. Take my hand, take my hand, take my heart. The air that we breathe will be all that we need. Aspirations aside, it's keeping us alive, it's keeping us alive. It's keeping us alive. It's keeping us alive. It's keeping us alive.